Hi there. This Skillshare video modules are intended to teach you how to make these easy handmade watercolor sketchbooks. These watercolor sketchbooks are so fun, and once you've made one, you'll never go back to buying them again. The girl that taught me how to make them made that statement, and I can tell you it's true. I make these little sketchbooks all the time now. They're so fast and easy, and this is just an example of a few that I have made. So this one, I was trying out different watercolor papers. I bought a little sampler of the Jackson Stonehenge and made this little booklet to check out the papers. So real quick and fun. And this is another one. I'm checking out the Fabriano Extra White Artistico, and so I bought a little sample packet, and I'm testing them out. And you know, they're just fun. They're fun, they're fast, they're real easy. And if you'd like to learn how a quick and easy way to do these little watercolor sketchbooks, then hit subscribe and take this class. Hey, thanks. Look forward to seeing you in the first module. Bye.